All right, Moto fam, first round of outdoors this weekend, and if you haven't seen it on social media yet, Cooper Webb on Red Bull KTM is in for Pro Motocross Outdoors this season. That comes straight from KTM, been shared all over social today. Now, this is interesting because from the rumors the last few weeks, he wanted to ride World Supercross. He was left with an option to ride Pro Motocross in his contract. He wanted to ride World Supercross instead. Obviously, it's easier on the body. It's probably more money, etc., etc. The rumor is KTM blocked that. They said you can ride Pro Motocross or nothing. So he's riding Pro Motocross. I think that's pretty cool. He could have easily just said, nah, I'll sit out and chill this summer. But is he going to be a little bitter with KTM and a little bitter with this whole contract obligation? Either way, he could put just enough of a wrench into this scenario to be a contender. He's not going to have the flat-out raw speed of Sexton and Lawrence, obviously, but he could definitely help shake it up. So this is fantastic news we got today.